Looking out across the nighttime, the city wings a sleepless eye. I hear her voice shake my window, so easy to sing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, for wolves won't hold me tonight. And if this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do it that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. I see that girl, she knows I'm watching. I'm dreaming of our streets. If they say why, just tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do it that way? If they say why, just tell them that it's human nature.
Moin, I'm Catherine, and today I'm in bed with Irma.
Yeah.
We're at the Reeperbahn Festival. Have you ever been before?
At the Reeperbahn or
Yeah.
in Hamburg? Never at the Reeperbahn. It's my first time. But in Hamburg, I've been here like at least 3 times now.
Okay. What happened last night?